Hey guys, I'm back again with another hair install, and today I'm installing this lovely 26 inches 13 by 5 body wave lace closure wig from Alipearl. But firstly guys, get into this frontal. Look at how lovely and plucked it looks. The hair is so lush, it's so silky, and it's giving luxury. So let's get right into this install, guys. The wig comes with about 2 of these scarves. You can use this to slick down your baby hairs. You can use this to tie your head to get it out of your face. It also comes with a wig cap, which I think is pretty standard for a lot of wigs. My favorite feature is the edge melt band. I run out of these so fast, so when I get a new one, I'm really excited about that. My install, typically I love to do the bald cap method, but you don't have to. You can just wear your wig cap. Once I apply my wig cap on my head, I'm just going to go ahead and align the wig cap with my ears by cutting a hole around my ears. Once that's done, I'm going to go in with my Ebin hairspray and use this to secure my wig cap. Okay, time for you guys to see what the wig looks like on my head. Yo, this lace frontal is giving what it needs to give. You know, my hair has been pre-plucked off camera, it's been pre-bleached. The only thing I would say about this frontal is on the part I can see the grits. So, you know, that needs to be worked on a little bit more, maybe make the knots a little bit smaller. But other than that, this hair is perfect, y'all. I also love the fact that it's jet black, so it literally contrasts to my skin and it makes my skin pop even more. What I'm doing right now is cutting the excess lace to ensure it fits around my ears and also fits the perimeter of my forehead as well. Guys, laying my hair has been so easy with this spray. It literally stays on for days and it's not as harsh on my skin as other sprays or glues that I have tried. And this lace, guys, watch how it just melts into my skin. Like, it's so easy to apply. The lace is very thin and it gives it a more natural look and finish. I'm going to just hold down the side and use my blow dryer to ensure it's really nice and dry and laid down to perfection. Y'all, please get into this lace. You guys know I have used Alipearl before in the past, and one thing I would always give them though is their lace frontal is always on point. It's very thin, it's always HD lace, and it just looks so flawless and so natural with your skin. The only thing I mentioned earlier on was just the grits on the frontal, like on the part. I wish that was just a little bit thinner, but this is what it's looking like after I tied it down. So right now I'm trying to figure out if I actually want to do baby hairs or if I want to install this wig without baby hairs. So I'm just going to go ahead and carve out all my baby hairs to be and cut off the excess hair. Then I'm going to go in with my straightener to give it that lovely curl, and I'm going to go ahead and lay it down with some mousse and my brush. I don't know. Honestly, I was kind of feeling the hair without any baby hairs just because of how good the lace looks like. It literally looks like my skin. So to blend it even more and to make it look more melted, I'm going in with some powder to to just blend around the lace so it matches my skin even better. And this is where we're at, guys. Look at how natural the finish is. Like, it's so beautiful. I'm going to go ahead and also add some powder to the part to cover those grids I was talking about earlier on. And yeah, this hair is giving everything that it's supposed to give. So now, just for some finishing touches, I'm using my hot comb to flatten out top of the frontal, and I'm also going to go in with my Dyson straightener and add some curls into this hair just to add more volume to it as well. The hair is super shiny, very voluminous, and it just looks overall really healthy. So once my curls are done, this is the final look of my hair. Look at how full and how beautiful this hair is, guys. I cannot get enough. This is the hair I'm taking with me on vacation just because the quality is superb, guys. All the links you need to know about this hair is going to be listed right down below as usual. Once again, my hair is from Alipearl and this is their body wave hair, and it is amazing, guys. Trust me, you want to get your hands on this. Okay guys, so this is the final look of my hair. My hair is about 26 or 28 inches. I ended up not doing any baby hairs, and let me tell you something, this hair is so lush. I also love the fact that it's jet black, so you know it has that contrast with my skin. The hair is super duper soft. Right now it's on sale as well, and all the links are going to be listed right down below. The only thing I don't like about this wig is the frontal. I wish the knots were a little bit smaller, because I can actually see the knots right here on my part. Other than that, this wig, this hair is amazing. Like I said, my hair is from Alipearl, and this is their 26 inches body wave hair, and it is so long. I don't know if you guys can see, but this is where it stops, like right here. So yeah, that's pretty much it for this hair video. I really hope you guys enjoyed this install, and until next time, peace and love.